Now let us try to develop a language detector using an API, and this is how our language detector will look like. There will be some space to enter the text, and when we click the detect language button, it will identify the language in which the text is written. So let us try some different languages. Let me first enter. This is very easy to use. Now let me click the button. See, it is showing detecting and then displaying English as a language. Next, let me try to have some other languages here other than English. So let me try to copy some other text and paste it here. Instead of this, let me paste this text. This is actually a review received for one of my Udemy courses. So let me click detect language. It is showing Portuguese. Just to make sure that it is Portuguese itself, let me copy this text and use the Google's language translator, and let me paste the text here. It is showing very good as a English translated text, and here you could see that Portuguese detected. So this is written in Portuguese, and even we got the output like Portuguese. So that is correct, right? Next, let me copy some other text. Let me paste it here and detect language. It is showing Spanish. Let us try to copy it here also to double check. See, this is displayed as Spanish. So like this, the language detector works. And to develop this application, we are going to use this API, which is the endpoint is api-platform.systran.net/nlp/lid/detect language/document, then the parameters key and also input. Okay. So to use this, you need to have a key which you can get for free from this site. This is platform systran.net/index. You can sign up for free for small volumes, monthly subscriptions available for higher volume. So if you just want to test this, you can go for a free key and you will get it once you click the sign up free. And suppose I specify continue with Systran. You can even continue with Google. You have to specify your email, first name, last name, secret question and answer, and also a password. Once you sign up, you will get a free key and you can use that key here when you access this API. So this is the key I have received after signing up. Okay. And then we need to pass the input here as the input parameter. Then it will return the data in JSON format. It is detected languages, which is an array, and you could see confidence and also language, and here also confidence language. So we need to get the very first one, which is having higher confidence, which means that ES is the code for this text. So this is the same text I have copied, and for this it is showing the language as ES, not as Spanish as we have written here. So what we can do, if we just write ES, it is not an easy to understand format, right? When we specify ES, a common man might not be able to understand whether it is Spanish, Portuguese or anything else. So instead of displaying it as ES, I want to display it as Spanish. So we can get the code and its corresponding name from many different websites available online. I have collected it from here. Let me try to find ES, or let me try to get Spanish. It will be easy to find. See, for Spanish, you could find that the code is ES. So even though we get it as a code, that is language code, we can get its corresponding name and use it in our application. So this is the application we are going to develop using this API. And to use this API, you need to have a key, API key, which you can get for free from this site, platform.systran.net. And if you expect only small volumes, you can go for a free trial. Now let us see how we can develop this application using this API.